start.
Okay.
Okay, as Shivam says, nepotism is based on favoritism granted to relatives in various fields: industrial, business, politics, entertainment, sports, religion, and other activities. So we can say nepotism is everywhere. But question is this: almost people say nepotism is only in film industry, but it is not true always,
Yeah, sure.
because nepotism is always exist everywhere. If I talk about politics, nepotism
Mm-hmm.
exists because a politician son want to become a politician. If talk about business industry, a business
Yeah.
a businessman son want to become a businessman. So there
Mm-hmm.
also nepotism exists. In such way, I can say in every field nepotism exists. But
Yeah.
nepotism is good when for this nepotism every talented person not affected. But
Right.
when due to nepotism any talented person affected, and due to nepotism he can't grow up himself, then this is bad.
Yeah, sure. And I think
Definitely.
Vikas has kept a very great point, like
Yes.
nepotism, that if
Yeah.
it is not affecting the, actual talented people, then it is fine. I think, Vicky, now it's your turn. Maybe you will keep your point, and I'll
Yeah.
maybe
Okay. Let
and
let
join
me
in.
let me
Yeah.
put my perspective.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as Vikas, I think, yeah, Vikas and Shivam told that nepotism is a negative thing. We all know it's a very bad thing.
Mm-hmm.
It's everywhere available in every single field, like in politics and Bollywood, and even in our village too. And you must be knowing about like Sushant Rajput. He
Yeah, right.
he had recently committed suicide due to maybe nepotism. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know exactly, but people are everyone is telling the same thing around us.
Yeah,
And
right.
the main thing is because of nepotism, every single people who are really talented and hardworking are lagging.
Right.
and I think there are so many actors and actresses like Rajkumar Rao and Ayushmann Khurrana and his brother too. They all are really talented and hardworking too. And
Mm-hmm.
unlike you, you will say um, Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan. They all belong to the film family,
Right.
but
They belongs.
yeah, they belong to uh, film family. I was saying filmy
Mm-hmm.
bird. Yeah, so they are bound to perform there, but because of them, we we lose really talented guys, and they can't even grow up
Mm-hmm.
uh, due to nepotism, and that's the main reason. And this will also lead to repercussion, and it will mm, impact on the Bollywood's reputation very bad, even in politics too. So I think I should leave. Anyone should put their views.
Okay. So
Yeah.
can I start?
Yeah, sure.
So I want to give some clear picture about the nepotism. So nepotism is thing that we are giving advantage to we are giving unfair advantage to some people who don't deserve that. But sometimes it's not true. Like that, if we look into the politics, So if one politician, we take the example of any politician, so he want to become a politician rather than he has quality or not. But when we go to the other fields like sports and Bollywood, so you will get about first chance, second chance, third chance due to your family background. But you have to maintain that position. After giving you chance about 1 to 3 times, no one will invest on you, because some producers, any producer who is making money, making movie, and he is investing about 2 crore or 200 crore or 300 crore rupees. So no will want to invest in a very rude manner. He will only invest when you have a talent. So if you belongs to any filmy background, filmy background family, so in that case you will definitely get very easily break. But after that you have to maintain your dedication, and your work will decided by your place will decided by your hard work. Like that, we will take the example of the team of Gangs of Wasipur. I think you all are aware that the Manoj Bajpayee,
Sure,
Pankaj Tripathi,
sure. Yeah.
and so they all are from just
Nawazuddin,
drama. Nawazuddin, they all
Huma
are from drama
Qureshi.
schools. Yes. So they are in
Hmm.
Bollywood due to their talent, not due to their due to nepotism, because they don't have any godfather in Bollywood. But we can also take the example of like
Right.
Abhishek Bachchan. He get easily break, but he not gained his position as his father gained. So in
Yeah,
Bollywood, it's about 50 to 40% nepotism everywhere. In business, if we can see that one businessman son want to become a businessman, because it's easy to trust them. If every a businessman will not
Hmm.
trust on other people in a easy manner. So if he is giving to his son their chair, so he is sure that he will do his their great work. But in politics, we will say that it's working about 80 to 90%, because politicians are just like I'm not working. I'm not talking about politicians, but they are talented. They have talent. They even didn't know about their constituency. They are
Hmm.
just selected by the party members, and they are elected for to go their constituency. So I think that nepotism is good or bad, we can't say. It's a depend on individuals in which factor we are looking. But nepotism, if nepotism suppressing the talents of other people, then it is bad. Because if I am an engineer, then I will definitely I want my son will become an engineer, doctor. So nepotism makes a good criteria for those people who are really talented. So we can accept them. But like that, Ananya Pandey and others, they are do not talented, I think, don't have any skill about to 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 go in Bollywood, but they are get easily break due to the nepotism. Alia Bhatt, all are just belong to, they even don't know how to struggle. They don't know the value of the struggle. So someone is coming from very rural background, he is really struggled about that, about his work. So he can he will grow at such point. So we have to support them. It's our duty to support them. But if we are not supporting, we are not looking them, so it's our fault. So I think that's enough. So anyone
Hmm.
can.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Now I think I have to tell something. I think my all guests have covered all the points, which are uh, going on nowadays, and even though important, because many of our guests, Vikas has kept a point, and I agree with him that
Hello.
nepotism is
I think
good.
my chance will come
Yeah.
before the conclusion. I just want to say that all of the people, all of my friends, talking about the nepotism in the Bollywood. But I follow the Vikas. He
Mm-hmm,
also
mm-hmm.
he also tells that nepotism in the politics, businessman, and film industry, and in all
Mm-hmm.
other
Right.
systems. So I think we can say that Rahul Gandhi is a bad product of the nepotism, and we know about Hrithik Roshan.
Mhm.
He also a good product of the nepotism. So I think nepotism is good as well
Right.
as bad. Uh,
Yeah,
Nepotism is been coming from the ancient times. So I think we have to change the
Mhm.
system. That's why in further times we can create the best product uh, in all the we can say that in all the perspectives.
Yeah.
That's all from my side.
Right. Sure.
As
Okay.
Abhijit,
So
as
yeah, yeah,
as
Vikas, go
Abhijit
on.
says, it means a star kid can get that first film due to nepotism, but to constantly get films just because you belong to a film family is not possible always. I'd say Hrithik Roshan is the good product of nepotism, but
Mhm.
Hrithik Roshan is good product of the nepotism, but Abhishek Bachchan is not good product of the nepotism.
yeah,
It's absolutely right.
right.
It
Yeah.
Definitely.
means every actor has her own journey in Bollywood. Moreover, if you are
Mhm.
good at your work, people will show interest to allow rate with you irrespective of your background. Means background doesn't depend if you are from family background, you are not from family background. If you are talented, you are hardworking, then all directors, all industry head respect you and get path for you.
Yeah, you are right. Now I think anyone wants to say something, or I have to keep my point.
Let's carry on.
Yeah. Okay. So I think everyone have you covered most of the things, but like like we are talking about nepotism in Bollywood. Okay. So sure, the one thing, nepotism is not any single place, it is everywhere. Like a industrialist person wants to his son to become an industrialist. Okay. And same as happens also in politics that our guest has talked. But the one thing that uh, like a person, or if we are talking about Bollywood, so an actor who actually works, they are also succeeding in their life. We can take example of Nawazuddin. We can take an example of Ayushmann Khurrana, Kangana Ranaut, Priyanka Chopra. These are stars. They have started their journey and now they are still a star. But one thing happens, and also Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan, they are also, I think, talented actors, even though they belongs to a kind of, a family who are very rich and they are a star, a famous star, which have their, the one main thing, a problem is, which I think happens with every single star when they are growing. It's a production house. I think everyone knows about production house. When people have a, their own production house, like Khan's family and all the stars who are very rich in the film industry and in a film fraternity. So they they like in case of Alia Bhatt and Ayushmann Khurrana, I'm going to take an example. Like Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, these were from a film fraternity, but Ayushmann Khurrana will like from, we can say, a normal family. So Ayushmann Khurrana, he get his first film. He was at you know 27. I mean, I'm talking about Icky Donor.
Yeah,
His film when he when he make a role in that film, he was at the age of 27. But if he belongs to a family who are stars or who are rich, maybe he can have a chance to do that same film at the age of 22 or 23. So yeah, a talented people definitely get their place, but it takes more time to them. Barrier, which is time and kind of yeah, basically time, because you can see a 5 year 6 year difference between a star who are growing in an industry and who are from normal background. So yeah, it is very difficult to survive those people who are coming from outwards, but there are many examples who are still success. But yeah, sure, it happens that you have to struggle more than that, and it happens in every field, even though if we will take example we will take example of our education system nowadays. Definitely some corporates and industries like Google, Amazon, Apple, they are all hiring and looking for a person who are actually skillful and talented. Okay, but if we will take an example of village, and if we will take an example of a person who has a too much money, so he will send his kid in a good school where he can avail all the opportunity like computers and whatever he need to do that one. Okay, but when it comes about a normal person, it will take time to reach him at that position, so I think when it comes about nepotism, and that Vikas has told, when nepotism is not coming in front of talent, then it is fine. It is all up to them, because we are not anyone who can judge any person if they have something, like I have my everything, I have my industry, so it is all up to me that how am I using it. But yeah, if I'm not hiring those people who are actually talented, so I'm gonna to suck. It means I'm gonna to someday it will definitely not grow. Same thing if it's uh, going to happen in the case of UPSC. If they are stopped to hiring people who are actually talented, actually skillful. So you can imagine what will happen to our country. The same going on in film industry. And the one thing, I'm so sorry for that, uh, the incident that happened with Sushant. And before that, even though I have never cared about such word like nepotism or anything, even though I was a great fan of watching Copy with Karan, the show. I think everyone know about it, because
Yeah.
because he used a very good English. That's why I used to watch his show Copy with Karan. The only purpose that I don't care about any Bollywood stars and their life, like how they live. But in that show, I only went just because they use good English. But after Sushant has committed suicide, so I have read a little bit. Then I actually feel, yeah, it is true. Whenever Copy with Karan so has happened or occurred, he always try to sometime try to down all those stars who are not from
Film background.
good family background, right? So it has happened. And yesterday, what I had done, maybe 2 and 3 days before, I have uninstalled Hotstar, because at that Hotstar, Copy with Karan, they are promoting. And I think there must be a kind of slogan now also, we need to boycott such kind of shows, even though it will be definitely not get affected a little bit, because they have everything. They have their production, they have their critics, they have every after few or some days, I think it's gonna fine. But one more thing, I think now I want to keep that, we can't do anything about a person or actors who are coming from rich background. Okay, like if we will not support him, they will anyhow grow, because they have everything. They have their industry, they have their rich family who will support, they have their own critics, everyone. But what we can do, either supporting too much to stars who are coming from that background, only the basis of name tagline, that oh, he's belong from that rich family, he's belong from that. So instead of that, what we can do, we can start to support all stars and actors who are coming from raw back, like from poor family. Maybe they are working hard, like Nawazuddin, Ayushmann Khurrana. Sushant was one of them, and Kangana Ranaut, these kind of stars. And also like our friend Gyanendra has named a movie that is Gangs of Wasipur. In that movie, every stars, they have taken from normal background. They were not from a kind of background which they have a rich family or anyone. I think we have to start to support those people who are actually working, and that is how I think it will be fruitful for them, because we can't do anything about a person who are who are kind of creating nepotism or anything like that. But yeah, we can we can support too much to that people who are actually able for it. So